can't. I want to take a picture.
Look, I'm taking a movie. Look at him eat. Man, he'll tackle anything.
Put a mouse in there next.
Daddy.
I saw a video of mouse versus praying mantis.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where are we going to find a mouse?
I don't know.
Well, what's that?
Oh, he's eating his eye, I think. Sit down. Ooh.
Boo. Boo, boo. Boo.
Shh.
Boo. Boo. Boo.
Man, he's going to town on this thing. Shh, Aiden, please don't smack.
What? What?
Nothing, I'm just watching him eat. Sit down, you're gonna scare him. Wow.
He's getting bigger.
Who is?
Him.
Mantis?
I'll call him. He will get bigger than bigger and bigger and big and big and big and big. That's how he grows to the sky. Can eat any bug and he can reach to the clouds.
Mm-hmm.
And any mantis is eat that one.
Uh-huh.
Then he eat fast and catch those bugs. What is those bugs called?
I don't know.
And two. Come on, Mommy, come on.
What?
Take a picture.
I'm making a movie of it.
Now you got.
Don't touch, Aiden.
Gotta make a move on it. Then you got quick. Quick.
I'm clicking. I'm clicking and clicking and clicking, Aiden.
Quick. Did you quick? Did you quick? Quick. Is he going up there to eat his food?
No, he's staying right down here because his food is so big today. Daddy caught him a really big bug. It was in the pool.
Huh?
It was in the pool.
Was it alive?
Yeah.